Albert Einstein and theory of relativity. Hi, I'm Aditya Malikanan. These are places where you can contact me. My email, everybody has a link. Twitter, my handle is Good Writing Stories 1. My website, you cannot really contact me on my website, but you can see what I've done on my website too. And it's www.goodwritingstories.com. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a theoretical physicist. If we don't know what a theoretical physicist is, he makes up theories. Like one of the theories is, it's not a history, but I just made up a theory right now. I think inside the black hole, there's a lot of light. That's like a theory. He developed relativity theory. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany. There's a moon named after. Can you believe it? Like if there's a moon named after me, I would have been like so happy. Like even if I died, the moon will take my place. More of Albert Einstein. He earned a PhD from University of Zurich. If you don't know what PhD is, your name is under doctor. So if I got a PhD, I'm a kid, but when I grow up and I get it, if I got it, my name will be Dr. Adityan. It goes under doctor. He also got a Nobel Prize in 1921. We're gonna go. What did he like? In a few more minutes, I think we're gonna see why did he get the Nobel Prize. He taught in Princeton College. I never went there, but my dad told me a lot about it. He defined space-time continuum. If you're wondering, why did he define space-time continuum? You could have just got the answer by Google. This thing, there wasn't any Google. Plus, only if you define something can you get it, the answer. His achievements. In 1905, he published three important papers. The first one is about electromagnet energy. That's why you want to know price, like I was saying. The second paper is about special theory of relativity. We're going to get to that. The third one is about statistical mechanics. Now we're doing something else. E equal to mc squared. This equation provides a connection between energy and mass, where E, M, and C represents energy, mass, and velocity of light. Albert Einstein in nuclear age. In 1946, Albert Einstein became a chairman of the New York University Committee of Atomic Scientists. In 1952, he was offered the position of president of Israel, but he turned down. He didn't want to go to public. But you got a president, like, of course I want him, but he didn't. What is relativity? Theory of relativity is scientific explanation about how space relates to time. There are two theories of relativity: general relativity and special relativity. I think you heard special relativity when I was talking about more about Albert Einstein or his papers. But there's also another one called general relativity. General relativity explains why things fall towards the ground when you drop them. Special relativity says the motion is always relative. The motion of one thing is always related to the motion of everything. What is general relativity? General relativity explains why things fall towards the ground when you drop them, and essentially it is known as the theory of gravity. And you're like, but I thought you said we're only going to use two theories. Yeah, and you're correct. But in general relativity, there's also one other theory in it, theory of gravity. Gravity is curving or warping of space. The more massive an object is, the more it warps. The sun is massive enough to warp space around us, so like a heavy metal ball on a rubber sheet warps the sheet. So basically, like when you put a heavy metal ball on it, it makes the outline. That's what it means. As a result, Earth and other planets revolve around the sun. What is special relativity? This is my favorite part. I really like this. Special relativity says the motion is always relative. The motion of one thing is always related to the motion of everything else. Imagine a baseball floating in space, but how could you know it's floating? And you're like, no, that's impossible. You can't know it if it's floating. Actually, you can. No, and then a scientist comes like, actually, you can't. Um, and then what he does is he throws a basketball to space, and then the baseball starts moving. Then the little kid knows that the baseball is moving because it's moving away from the basketball. That is what special relativity is. Other discoveries about Albert Einstein, photons. In 1905, Einstein came up with a concept that light is made of particles called photons. This became a very important discovery for many branches of science, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Like I keep on saying Nobel Prize, Nobel Prize. Okay, and he got a lot of Nobel prizes. I think I'm not sure. Both Einstein together with another scientist, Satya Bose, Einstein discovered another state of matter, sort of like liquid or gas or solid state. So example, if you don't know what matter is, this is the state of matter. So it so there's only little liquid. That's one state of matter. And inside the bottle, there's a lot of space. That's the second state of matter. And this is the solid state. This is a solid state right here. The out like the bottle, it's a whole solid state. So you have three matters in the bottle. And then sort of this is photism. This is the first photo is like very it's like very popular. The second one is when he was young. The third one I think when he was teaching or when he was doing his like he was like solving some equations or problems. Thank you to my mom and dad, my teacher, Mr. Tamil Larson. He's the one who he taught me a lot about special relativity and general relativity. He also helped me a lot in this project. Bye. I stopped sharing. Like actually my dad did. Bye. Bye.